In this video, we're going to show you how to install a battery tray on your Ford Mustang located underneath your battery. If you're just replacing your battery hold down, you'd simply remove the bolt from the top of it. It fits in the top and it tightens down inside here. So you would remove that bolt and pull out the old one. In our particular case, it is broken into the battery tray. We need to go ahead and remove our battery, remove the battery tray using a 13mm wrench. I'm going to go ahead and loosen our battery bolts here. Just going to open up our clamp a little bit and spin that off. Grab your battery, pull it up and out. Now with our battery out, we can go ahead and remove our 3 8mm bolts. There's one on the bottom and 2 on the back wall here on the fender. Let's go ahead and loosen and remove these. It looks like this lower bolt has already been replaced at one time. Go ahead and remove our battery tray. Install the battery tray. Line that up. We'll get our bolts started by hand. Going to tighten down our fender well bolts first. You just want to make those snug. And then we can go ahead and finish up by snugging down the bottom bolt here. Just gently snug that into place. Go ahead and get your battery lowered down into place. Slide that back. You're going to take your battery wedge or hold down block here. You're going to drop that down in position. There's obviously 2 different ways you can drop it in. One is correct, where when you drop it in, it is flush. Then go ahead and get that bolt started in there. Now we can go ahead and snug this down. Now what you want to do is you just want to tighten down this bolt here just to the point where it holds that battery. You don't want to over tighten it and crush the battery. It's basically a wedge locking that into place. So it's you're just going to feel it snug down. And that battery is nice and secure. Install your terminals. And snug down the terminal nuts here. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.